Greetings. I'm online and I'm on the air bringing you guys another art tutorial because I strongly believe that education should be free. In some places it is, just not in corporate America. This is a tutorial I've been meaning to make for a while, I just haven't been able to get around to it because of, well, life. I'm making this because I had trouble figuring out how to do Chrome and finding a good tutorial on the subject. I was trying to figure out for a while, trying to find a good tutorial on the subject. I did find one that seemed to be pretty good. Gave me some, it gave some, really nice results, but it was difficult to follow. It looked like you needed a special render and plugins, and you had to adjust all these settings, and there wasn't really a very clean explanation of where these settings were or what these settings did. It's almost like you needed a tutorial in order to understand the tutorial. I did find another tutorial on building Chrome, but it was I'll demonstrate the approach that they use. I've got like a nice scene setup. Here's my Chrome ball. Now the tutorial in question involved setting up a material. Make this a bit dark. Oops. Yeah, okay. Make that dark, and then adding maps to your reflections. Then you take this material and you just slap it onto your object. And pressing H to get a list of all the objects in my scene. Oh, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. My plane. I'm gonna change the color of this plane to gray, and maybe make that plane a wee bit bigger, just a wee bit bigger. 50 meters by 50 meters. 50 meters. Alright, here we go. F10, render setup settings. And uh-oh, that's not working the way it's supposed to. Oh wait, here it is. Here it is. Mental rays on, and renders. That's a little far. But as you can see, it's giving me all these neat reflections. Click on an object, you press the Z button that focuses on your object in the 3ds Max, and when you render it, you can see it's giving me these chrome reflections, right? But these reflections, it's not real. It's not real Chrome. Oh wait, I think I'm missing a step. I need to put in ray trace. there we go. Let's try that again. Yeah. As I was saying, these chrome refraction type things, this isn't real chrome. It's fake chrome. Like, the chrome effects are not being generated naturally. All these chrome effects, like all of these chrome effects, are coming from this JPEG, this picture of chrome. It's not real chrome. It's fake chrome. I guess it's okay to use that kind of approach if it suits your needs at any particular moment in time. Then it's fine. You know, it really depends on what you're going for. But basically, it's not real. It's just not real authentic chrome. It's fake. It's fake chrome.